In this video, I'm going to be talking a little bit about why I'm choosing to slow down production a tiny bit at Noctua Watch Corp. I've been thinking a lot about pace lately, about how fast things move in this space and how easy it is to feel like you're always behind. I've realized something. I don't want to rush the next watch. I'm choosing a different path. There's constant pressure in this industry to release more models, more colors, more updates, and I have felt that pressure also. But recently I've been asking myself whether it's better to move faster. Does faster, let me rephrase that. Is faster actually better? Sometimes life has a way of adjusting your priorities, and over the last little while I've been thinking about what that actually means, not in just watches, but how I build this brand. I could push out another release right now, but I feel like that would be forcing. So, that's not why I started Noctua Watches. I'm not rushing into the next watch, and here's why. There's so much pressure to stay relevant and to come up with something new, and every day somebody comes up with a new gimmick of some kind. I'm just as guilty as the next person when it comes to all of this. I'm not wanting to do that. I want my next release to be far more intentional. I mean, I love these. I genuinely do. But I want the next ones to be a little bit more memorable. I did great with these. They've been going wonderfully, but it's hard to keep up doing the company the way I'm doing. I'm not outsourcing the builds to another country and buying multiple thousands at a time and hoping to sell. I'm kind of doing it on my own. I have my own sources of suppliers. I source all my own parts and build on my own. So kind of more of a one-man show than some of these other one-man shows. And I'm not putting anybody down. Doing any of this is hard, bloody work. And that's another part of this, is the pressure to continually release new models, come up with new dials, new case designs, all of the above. It can be, at the very least, trying, especially for someone like myself who I don't come from a design background. I come from an automotive type background. So, I struggle with things differently and in my own way. Also the pressures of doing exactly what I'm doing for you guys and keeping up with some sort of upload schedule for YouTube. Very important for me, and hey, this is how you guys have found me in the first place. So it's not a platform that I'm willing to get rid of anytime soon. Another big thing I would have to throw out is pressure across the brands to be the next be the next, if you know what I'm saying. That puts pressure on everyone, on every wheel and cog in the whole system, across the board. So a lot of stresses come with little things, especially in small companies. Now, before anybody thinks it's all doom and gloom, that's not where I'm going. Noctua Watches is not going anywhere. Promise you that. I need to switch gears a little bit. That's all. Noctua isn't about how many watches I can release. It's about building something that feels right when it's done. That takes time, and I'm okay with that. So, you know, it's a refinement over frequency. I want to keep things. I want to maintain the integrity I'm building in this company. I'm trying to think long term. I watched a video not long ago. Everton Scott. He said something that I found extremely poignant, and I think it's something that a lot of the small brands in this space, I guess I should call it, don't really consider. He said he's looking at his brand 100 years from now. This isn't a flash in the pan, start something and, let it go, make your dollars and start something else. He's looking at a brand 100 years from now, and I think that's absolutely brilliant because all of the watch brands are only a couple of 100 years old at best. So why not him? Why not me? So I agree with him in that. I'm building this for longevity's sake. This isn't oh, look at me and then I come and I go. No, this is built with intention. So just a quick final thank you to everybody who has been supporting me thus far. I greatly appreciate all of you. My first customers in the first year of business, you don't understand what that means to a small business owner. It's not that I've made it, it's that I can. That, I think, is the most important thing I'm going to take from my first year and a bit in business. I'm already year and a half in. Things are looking great. I have many prototypes on the bench and on paper. Some of you may have already noticed a couple of prototypes popping in and out here throughout my videos lately. Well, you may be seeing those. You never know. I try not to release too much information about anything until I'm happy with the product in the way that it's going to be released. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. I hope to see y'all again. Cheers, everybody.